So hello my dear students, welcome you all in the Mathsful YouTube channel, a virtual platform to study maths. Okay, so as we have seen in the last video, we have seen the values of trigonometric ratios for different angles. The angles were 0, 330, 45, 60, 90, 180, 270 and 360 degrees, right? So these were that we have seen in the last video, that is the values of trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. So today we are going to continue the same part, that is to solve the example on the same one, that is on the values of trigonometric ratios for different angles. So let's have some examples on that part. Let's see, the example may ask on this part like this. So just see the first question. Here we have the first question is evaluate the values of some trigonometric expressions. The first one is, you can just write evaluate. What we need to evaluate here? We need to evaluate, the first one is, here you can say the value of sine 60. The expression is sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60 plus sine 30 cos 60. Okay, so we need to find the value of this expression. So let's solve this. Okay, so see how to solve this. So student, this part will totally depend on the values of trigonometric functions. So you just keep that table in your mind while solving this. So student, you can just note the values of the trigonometric functions in the given expression. So in the given expression we need the value of sine 60, then cos 30 and sine 30 and cos 60. So these values we needed. So you can just note them first and then put in the expression. So what is the value of sine 60, students? Can you remind? The value of sine 60 is, yes, it is root 3 by 2, correct. What is the value of sine 60? Sine 60 we got, we need sine 30 also. Value of sine 30 degree is, yes, it is equal to half. Similarly, the value of cos 30 will be equal to root 3 by 2, and the value of cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So student, we have these values of the trigonometric ratios for the given angles. So now let's have this expression. Write down the expression. The expression given is sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60, right? Just put the values and get its value. So sine 60 we have is root 3 by 2. Then I have cos 30 is root 3 by 2 again, plus sine 30 is half and cos 60 is also half. So just by taking the multiplication and their addition, what this gives us, the product of root 3 by 2 with itself will give us root 3 by 2 the whole square. Means it is root 3 square upon, or I can say root 3 by 2 the whole square, plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will give us 1 by 2 the whole square. So how much is root 3 by 2 whole square? It is root 3 square by 2 square, right? This is root 3 square upon 2 square plus 1 by 2 square, it can be 1 square upon 2 square. So how much it is? Square of root 3 will be 3, square of 2 is 4, then it is 1, and then again 4. So here, since the denominators are equal, I can just keep it as it is and add the numerators. So how much it gives us? It gives us 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. So student, in this way I can say that the value of the expression sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60 is equal to 1. So that is our required answer. So hope everyone got this, right? In this way student, we can find the values of the trigonometric expression in terms of different angles, the specific angles we have seen in the last video, right? So let's continue with some more examples. Consider another example. So students, let's see one more example on this part. So that is like this. If you are given tan of a plus b, let's see here. This example given is tan of a plus b is given as root 3 and tan of a minus b, tan of a minus b is given again as 1 by root 3, irrespective of that. And also you are given that the angle a plus b lies between 0 and 90. You are also given that the angle a plus b lies between, means it is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. Here I can say greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. Also you are given that the angle A is greater than b. Angle A is greater than b. So we need to find, what we need to find? We need to find here the angles A and B. We need to find the values of the angles A and B. So how to find them? Just let's see. So student, this is the solution. So in this solution, yes. So as you are given tan of a plus b and tan of a minus b. How much is tan of a plus b? Tan of a plus b is root 3. So student, do you know for which angle this tan theta is root 3 in the trigonometric table we have seen? Values of the trigonometric functions, that table we have seen. Can you remind? Yes, this is given as root 3. So for which angle the tan theta equal to root 3? Can you remind that table? Yes, for which angle it will be equal to root 3? Yes, come on everyone, try to remind for which angle tan theta equal to root 3. Yes, it is 60 degrees. So I can write this as equal to tan of 60 degree. So I can say that tan of a plus b is equal to tan of 60, right? So can I say from this a plus b equal to 60 degree? Yes or no? Yes, since the two trigonometric ratios are equal, the ratios are same, only the angles, the first one is the angle is an unknown angle and the right side given angle is 60 degree. So that unknown angle will be equal to this known angle, that is 60 degree. So let it be equation 1, right? Also you can use the second one given, the value of tan of a minus b is given as 1 upon root 3. So student, again can you remind for which angle this tan theta is 1 by root 3? Yes, it is for 30 degree, right? So we can say this is equal to tan of 30 degree, right? Again, as you have equated these two trigonometric ratios, here also I can equate this tan of a minus b is equal to tan of 30 degree. Okay, so can I equate the angle a minus b with 30 degree? Yes, I can equate with 30 degree. So let it be equation number 2. So now student, to find the values of a and b, so can I use the equations? Can I use the equations 1 and 2? Yes, yes, because they are the two simultaneous equations. We are having two simultaneous equations in terms of the two variables a and b. If we consider a and b as the variables, we can say the equations 1 and 2 are the two simultaneous equations in a and b. So are you able to find the values of a and b by solving these two equations simultaneously? Yes. So let's consider, we can say here from equations 1 and 2, what we can say. So can you add these two equations? So if you add the equations 192, what this gives us? It gives us a plus b equal to 60 plus a minus b equal to 30. What this gives us, if we add them together, this plus and minus b will get cancelled. A plus a will become 2a. 60 plus 30 becomes 90. So I can say that angle A is equal to 90 by 2 or equal to 45 degree. Yes or no? Yes. So A equal to 45 degrees. So now students, so can you find the value of B? Yes, we can find it just by substituting it in any one of the equation 1 or 2, right? So let's substitute here. If I substitute the value of A equal to 45 degree in equation 1, suppose, what this gives us, I can say A plus B equal to 60, A is 45 plus B equal to 60 degree. So what this gives us, B equal to, this gives us 60 minus 45. How much 60 minus 45? It is 15 degree. Yes. So hence student, I can say the values of the angles for A and B are equal to 45 degree and 15 degree respectively. Yes. Hence here I can write the answer. Our answer is the value of angle A equal to 45 degree and the value of angle B equal to 15 degree, which satisfy the conditions given in the example, as the angle A is greater than angle B. It is given here, right? And there is a sum of these two angles will lie between 0 and 90, that is in first quadrant, right? Both are acute angles, so I can say the sum 45 and 15, sum of these two equal to 60 degrees, so I can say it lies between 0 and 90 degree. So students, have understood this example? Yes. So in this way you can solve more example of this type from the book, student. Right student? So I hope everyone understood this video today. We have some examples on the values of trigonometric functions, right? So practice such type of example more at home to get the perfectness in this topic. So with this note, myself Sanjay sir will stop today and will continue in the next video with more interesting part from this topic. Till then, thank you.